Damn, they left a whole goddamn army of food down here. Bro, you could break a tooth off this shit. Yo. These shits are stale. Ugh, my fucking opinion. Yeah. Trying to kill these old people. That's crazy. Yeah, I look like this one horror movie. I had this one horror video on YouTube. I forgot what it's called. Backrooms. The Backrooms. Look at all these fucking doors. Look like that hallway that nigga was running down. And then he just opened up the first random door and got killed. You gotta watch that shit. So at some point in this long hallway, I make a left, right? And it's funny because once you hit about right, about to see this mat, right about here, you can start smelling the food that comes in from the grandma's kitchen.
Hey, that's the boy, hey!
Private egg, running the syrup, sipping the swap. I can tell number that was the tourists. Let's go to Cannes and watch a couple indie movies.
My trip a motherfucker, just as your baby mama. I got an Asian bitch that cook it just like Benny Hunters. Shooting like quarter water, I'm trapping serving orders. I cool with Molly, we take Molly on the Suffolk border. Bitch I'm hot, bitch I'm hot, bitch I'm hot. Turn it to a runner, I put drugs in the trunk. Oh yeah, bitch I'm hot, bitch I'm hot, bitch I'm hot. Number one stunt.
Driving with no hands. Because, you know.
Relax on my mind, it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's just a matter of time.
I be putting it up here sometimes when I record it outside. I turn the screen down so I know what I'm looking at, and I just put my name up.
In a chair with no gas in the tank. How long does it take just to process? I need to deposit. They want to outcome that.
They look mad close, right? Don't be doing that to me.
Is it close?
Better not be, I'm gonna whoop somebody's ass.
We out here, okay. It's like one of the greatest places on earth, low key. Look how tall I am compared to you, bro. I had to like literally scoot down. Ooh, show it off, hey! The whole time, okay. That shit looks mad clean, I'm not gonna hold you. It looks so good.
Are you vlogging?
Kinda. I'm making like a clip for like memories and shit, so you post it on
I
YouTube.
love that. Are you kidding me? Can I be in it?
Yeah. Hey, let's go!
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. Teriyaki.
You want double?
Yeah. Ooh, he's chefing it. Oh shit. He's a little extra. Oh, okay. Alright, I have a question. How am I gonna carry this and that with one hand? I'm gonna show you. Ready? One. I wish I had more sriracha though. What did you get?
I got potatoes, the broccoli, teriyaki, and then just rice.
It's not good. That's too healthy. We're back live, getting smoothies again with the infamous.
Hello.
We're going inside here. They're probably gonna be like, take your fucking phone away, put your shit away, no cameras.
Shit away.
They're gonna get the door for me, and I get the door for
and I don't even
you.
get the door.
Yeah, like the nerve of you.
Sorry.
No, it's too late. This is the drink. This is the drink.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We secured the bag.
The bag is here.
Oh man. How are you feeling right now?
I want to eat all of it. But I won't. I'll share.
Wait, you wouldn't share with me?
I would share.
I was like, bruh.
Look at them.
Oh! god. Yo. Oh, it's like the Spidey signal. You ever been on that ride on Universal? Yeah. Wow, no color light show. Unimpressed. I should have got the higher package. That's probably what it comes with. LED show. Like. Hell no. What a ripoff. That shit mad abrasive. Look at that, look at that. Smacking the shit out of my car. Ain't even touched nothing, just smacking it for no fucking reason. Oh, colors! They got the colors!
A little bit. I want more.
Where real? Show it the other one. That one's like a good. Ooh. Okay. 10 out. Like a princess. Like a princess. Okay. She's already ready. Look at her. Close up. Okay.
Ready. Is this a